Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to make angle using angle slider in GeoGebra. You can see the animation. I have created an angle with angle slider in GeoGebra. We will learn about this in GeoGebra. You can follow me on my YouTube channel Math with Mahanta, and you can follow in my Facebook. My Facebook page is Learn with Mahanta and my blog is learnwithmahanta.blogspot.com. uh, let's start our lesson. Thank you. For this, open your GeoGebra applet. I have been using GeoGebra Classic 5, and I'm going to make the font size little bit bigger. So I'm going to click on option menu for this option. Click on font size. I'm going to select font size 18. Yes. Click on right click. Click on access to remove access. Right click. Click on grid to make the window white. Now, since we are going to create angle by using angle slider, so this is the slider tool, the second last button. This is slider tool. Click on it and click on this first one, a equal to 2, that is slider tool. Click on the screen, and since it is an angle slider, so select angle or click on angle. By default, the name of angle or name of slider is alpha. It's okay. We are going to make a complete rotation, so minimum 0 degree, maximum 360 degree, and increment 1 degree is okay. If you want to make only up to a straight angle, then you can select minimum value 0 degree and maximum value 180 degree. Okay. Now let's move the slider to check whether it is working or not. Yes, it's working. Its value is 0 degree to 360 degree. If it is, you can change its value, slider's value, by clicking on it also. Just right click on the slider, go to object properties, and change the value from here also. Now we are going to select one line tool. This is, I am going to take line. We can take segment also. Okay, let's take segment. Why to take line? Let's take segment. I am going to take segment. This is AB. Okay, and we are going to make angle at point A. Vertex is A. Then now click on angle tool. Okay, angle tool is from the left, from the right, fourth tool. This is angle tool. Symbol of angle is there and alpha is included between them. Then click on angle with given size. Don't click on angle. Select angle with given size, and the first point, select first. If you put your cursor over there, then it gives you hint. Select leg point, vertex, then enter size. Then our leg point is B, vertex is A, then it will automatically ask for size. Now click on B for leg point, A for vertex, then it asks for size. Now we are going to link this with our slider, so I am removing it. Just click on backspace and remove it. If you want to make an angle of 90 degree, you can click on 90, and if you click on OK, the 90 degree angle will be made there. Yes. Now, but I am not going to make an angle of 90 degree. We are going to connect this angle with slider. So click on leg point, then vertex point, and just remove it and click on this alpha. Select our name of our slider is alpha, so click on select alpha, and remember anti-clockwise. I am going to select anti-clockwise because the angle is referred to positive in anti-clockwise. So select anti-clockwise, then click on OK. Now here you can see B dash is here. Since it is 360 degree angle, it is difficult to see where actually the viewpoint is, and the B dash is. Now we can see the angles are already made here. Okay. Now just select segment tool from the left third menu, third button, segment tool, and join this first point A and B dash. Yes. Now angle is formed. Okay, just click on move tool. Don't forget to click on this move tool, and I'm going to drag this point a little bit here, and I don't want its name, I want its value only. Then I'm going to click on this. We can select this from here also, from algebra view. Beta is selected, right click on it and click on object properties, then click on basic, and from show label just click on value. Okay, now we can select design its color also, style, line thickness, line capacity, size, cross hatching, what type of selection do you want. We can make it from here. Color, okay, let's make it a little bit this one, then algebra, it's okay. Now yes, we don't want the name of this segment, so you can write it in definition view, and you can keep it on by object type. Okay, then this segment, these two are segments, just select them by pressing control button, select one by one, and right click on it, click on show label. Labels will be removed. Now suppose I want to make this angle, this point C, then double click on it, object properties, basic, you can change its name from here, C, then, or just right click on it, object properties, and C. Like this also you can change its name, angle CAB. Okay, now let's click on this animate. Let's animate. Yes, it's working. Yes, it's working. Okay, now let's see whether it shows 360 degree or not. It is not showing 360 degree, and I think it does not show 0 degree also. So one thing we have to do is just click on this angle and click on, okay, right click on this and go to object properties, basic, click on show label. Now we are going to add one text here. So from the slider tool, second last button, select text tool and click on it, then right from the object menu, select empty box, and inside that empty box, from the symbol basic, select alpha. Yes, now we inside that empty box we have selected 60 degree. Now once again I want to tell you, from the second last button, select text box tool, click anywhere on the screen, then from object menu, select empty box, and see our cursor is inside that empty box. Then from the symbol basic, select alpha, or you can select that alpha from here, algebra view also, then click on OK. Now we have linked this with our angle slider. Okay, now let's animate this. Does it show 0 degree? Yes, now it shows 0 degree. Does it show 360 degree? Yes, it shows 360 degree. And now what is the one drawback? While 0 degree B and C coincide, and while it is 360 degree the points coincide. That is the drawback, and we are going to remove this drawback. First step of drawing angle by using slider tool is completed. Now we want to make it little bit attractive, so we are moving to further section, and I am going to make title here. I have not written title. From the how to make angle using okay. Angle using slider tool. I am going to make it little bit bigger one, so medium, bold, change color from here, and from here we can change the background. Now let's animate it. You can animate it from here also, this button also, this one. Yes, now it's working. Okay, now first step is completed. Now let's write its name from the second last toolbar. Select text tool and write its value. Angle symbol is basic. Yes, this is angle symbol. Click on symbol, basic, then select this angle symbol, angle. Now what is the name of the angle? Name of the angle is BAC. Angle BAC is equal to. Now we want this angle to be linked with our slider. So for that we have to, let's click on alpha. Does its value come? No, its value is not coming. So go to object and from here select alpha. Then inside this you can select alpha here, or just from the object menu select empty box, and inside that empty box from the basic select alpha. Now it is linked with alpha. Yes, again I want to show you. From the object menu select empty box, and inside that empty box select alpha, because our name of our slider is alpha. Now we can see the value is shown here in preview. Let's check whether it will work or not. Okay, now yes, angle BAC is equal to 260 degrees. In it and lock it. Now let's animate. Yes, it is linked with the slider. Now we are going to make it little bit attractive or dynamic. So for that let's make arrow instead of line segment. So click on this line segment tool and click on show object. Object will be removed. Line segment tool, click on show object. Objects are removed here. Now we are going to make arrow from the line tool, from the left third tool. Select yes, we can select line also. Let's select line. Yes. And on that line let's take another point. For that dynamic point, select point on object. This one, not the point but the second one, point on object. I am going to click here. This point is D, and I am going to select point on object again. I am going to click on little bit here. I want to make second revolving line little bit small, so I want to click on here. Now click on B, point B, click on show object to remove it. Similarly from here also, if you click on it here, yes, see, and if you make it white, the point C will be removed. If you make it blue, dark circle, the point will occur. Okay, now I want to make this point A, so click on this. Okay, no, this point B. Okay, and this one just right click on it, or you can click double click on it, object properties, then let's change its name C. Okay, angle BSC. Now we want to draw, let's have a look by animation. How does it look? Yes, it is working like this, it is moving like this, but it's not good. Yes, so we are going to make arrow for that. So we are going to make arrow. So just click on this line, right click on it, click on show object, right click on it, click on show object. From here also, line tool also, if you make it bold, line occurs, and if you make it white, the line will disappear. Now we are going to make arrow tool. So click on vector. Yes, this one. From the line tool, the second last, then join A and C, again join A and B, and to remove its, click on move tool. To remove its label, see, they are vectors, they must be at last a vector. Just right click on it, click on show label, right click on V vector, click on show label, labels will be removed. Now let's animate. How does it look? Yes, now it's look attractive. Now it's look better, and one line is revolving line, another is initial line or fixed line. Now just stop that animation. Okay, I want to make this revolving line red, so let's select, no, my arrow is not selected, red in color, and initial line, let's make okay, this line is revolving line, this line is initial line. Okay, now we have make it. Now if you want to make a circle, then we have to select circular arc. For that it will be little bit long also. Now I think up to this much our animation is complete. In this way we can make dynamic angle by using slider tool. Just click on this button to make it animation, auto animation, to start auto animation. We can make button also to start and stop the animation. I will teach you about that in my next video, how to make button, dynamic button, to make it small, to make animation on off. Okay, thank you. This was only for today. Please comment and share my channel if you like my videos, and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Thank you.